When teaching multiple sections of a course, you may want to combine the sections so that all of your content is in one course. As you see, when I hover over, I will see that this is section 002 and this is section 003. So I'm going to make 002 the parent course and the 003 as my child course that I'm going to merge with 002. So what I need to do is I need to go into the child course, meaning the section that I want to merge, which is 003. Now go to the course that you want to be the child course. Scroll to the bottom of your course navigation to Settings. From the Settings link, you will notice that there are several tabs. Click the Sections tab and click the link for the section that you want to merge. Over on the right hand side, you will see cross-list this section. You will now enter the course that you want to merge. As you start to type, you will see all of the courses that you have that are available for you to merge. Once you find the course that you want to be the parent course, click that course. The course will now populate into the selected course, and as you see here, this is section 002. I'm now going to click cross-list this section. Now when I go back to my dashboard, you will notice that there is only one course in my dashboard. When I hover over this, you will see that it is 002. That means that section 003 is now the child course. We're going to go in here and verify that we've done it correctly. We can click on People, and we'll see that in this section we have both 002 and 003. So that means that this course is merged. At this time there are no students in the course, but this is how you can check, and you will be able to see with your students which section they are in. You can also go to your grades, and from the view you can click on filters and filters sections, and then you can choose which section you wish to view within your gradebook area, or you can view everyone together. That concludes this tutorial on merging your sections for your courses that you teach multiple sections and you want to keep all of your content in the same course.